So here is the form. So the previous video was mistakenly broken. That's why I'm having a separate recording for the form design. So you can see the video as 2A and 2B. Alright, this is our background worker sample, and this is our form. So we named this form as FRM background. Then the text is a background worker, and you can see it here. Then we have two checkboxes. CHK use background. The other one is CHK use do events. Other stuffs are not important, and you can use whatever property you want. Next, we have 5 static label: label 1, label 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we specified it as AEIOU. And font size we increased from default. So this is the default font, whether 7 or 8, and here we increased the font size. You can also increase the font size for visual appearance. After that, we have text boxes. We named it as a text A, text EIOU. Then we have a progress bar, and we named this as progress B. And progress bar, you can see it here in the toolbox. Then we have 2 command button, btn start and btn cancel. And this multi-line text box, if you see, name is txt content. Then this one is important. We specified multi-line as true. Once you set this property as true, then you can see this grabber. That means you can increase the height of this text box. So if you change, by default this will be false, and you cannot resize the text box. Once you set it to true, you can resize it. Then we kept it as read only. So this is just for demo purpose. We kept it as read only so that the text content will be fixed throughout the demo. Next, here we have bit text so that the task will go. The bubble counting task will take some time. So we can pretend this as a long running task. That means the start count. And if you want to be in sync with the demo, then you can download this text content from the video description, then paste that here in the text property when you are designing your form. And after that, you have to place background worker component that will be available under components group. So this is the background worker, executes an operation on a separate thread. So in the tooltip you can see. And once you place, the component will appear in the bottom portion of the form. Click on that component, then rename this as background thread. Then turn on work report progress and worker supports cancellation. So set these 2 properties as true. We will learn about this property in the next coming videos. So that's all about the form design. Thank you for watching. Bye.